It is highly astonishing that the PLA of China Central Theatre Command recently conducted a drill to install a pontoon bridge over the Yantze River. CGTN published the video on 15 September 2022. During the drill, dozens of amphibious bridging vehicles entered the Yantze River in turn and docked precisely. They formed a steel pontoon bridge more than 1000 meters long across the banks of Yantze River in just 20 minutes. It was tested that the pontoon bridge can carry a load of 60 tons, allowing heavy equipments to pass steadily. The covering team will release a smoke screen to camouflage the bridge when detected by the enemy. At the end of the drill, all military vehicles sped across the bridge to the other side of the river. Thanks for watching the video.